Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. If you're new to my YouTube channel, go through my previous videos and you see the kind of reviews we do and the tricks and tutorials that we provide and various other things that we share to people which can help them make money online. Now, people who have PayPal accounts, they require Visa card for linking them to the PayPal. Also, some people require Visa cards or Mastercards for doing online purchases without using their real local bank Visa cards. So this online Visa card or Mastercard providers, they only require you to verify your identity using your country ID. For example, if you are Kenyan, Nigerian, just use your country identity card to verify your account here and you're good to go. And my best international Visa card provider is SpendNet. The reason why I like them, their form of funding account is very, very easy. They support cryptocurrency. They support Bitcoin and USDT. And this is very, very convenient for me. So funding an account here is very, very easy, but they also require you to do identity verification. And also, once you use their card for making online payments, they give you a 1% cashback. And if you use your card to pay for marketing, for example, if you're paying for Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, yeah, they're going to get 2% cashback of the amount you used for paying for the advertisements. Hello guys, why let bans hold you back when Jonix.com offers freedom at your fingertips? With ISP proxies from $1.35 per IP, mobile proxies from $14 per IP, residential proxies from $0.7 per GB, thereby expanding your online possibilities, whereby you can run multiple accounts without being detected and without being banned. These proxies are perfect for online gaming, social media, account management, web scraping, affiliate marketing, and among other purposes. So, Jonix.com keeps your identity secure and your account safe. Start now, secure your access, and experience the freedom Jonix.com brings to every online venture. So, this is their homepage, and this is the account section where you see your balance, your exchange. You can exchange from USDT to BTC. See? You can exchange your funds from here to here, yeah. So once you deposit funds in USDT and require them in form of USD for paying services on advertisements or buying stuff online, that's what you go to the exchange option here and you do that. Once you want to load your card with cash, just click load a card. Then you can choose you want to load with USDT. Then select the card you need. For example, now I only have the Sped card. Then put the amount you want and choose the fee. If you're depositing more than $1,000, from 1,000 and above, get 5% fee discount. Yeah, so you select the fee you need depending on the amount you're going to deposit, and they give you the amount you're supposed to send, and you're good to go. For example, here I can want to send like 10. So you see, so advantages of Spend, their deposit is the lowest. You can even deposit as low as the minimum is around $6. So you can only deposit a minimum of, let's say, $6, $6.2 there. So the minimum to deposit on SpendNet is around $6.2. That's why they are my #1 site. They have low fees, first of all, and loading your card, you can load it even with $6. This can help you complete offers on free cash or swag bags, which require you to put your Visa card. Yeah, so this is very, very nice. So let me go back to cards. So withdraw, for example, you have earned a lot of cashbacks from them, or you have some funds in your account and you want to remove them or to withdraw them. So just click transfer all your funds to USDT exchange. If you have cashback from USD, exchange it to USDT using the option I showed people. Then put your wallet here, TLC wallet address, put the amount, reason for withdraw, and then they say that withdraw to external USDT wallet takes up to 14 days. Make sure you enter the correct recipient USDT. So whenever you're withdrawing, it's not instant. It's going to take 14 days for them to review the cash out and you're good to go. So all your cards will be appearing here, and how to load them, how to load card to card, how to withdraw, and etc. For example, now I only have this pen card here, but I haven't loaded it in cash. I was very quick to make this review because it's the most cheapest international Visa card provider I've ever seen, and they support deposit using cryptocurrency. Then verification. For example, now I'm at the basic level, whereby they don't ask you for my identity verification, but for me to get advanced or infinity levels, I have to do identity verification. That's very obvious. Yeah. So that's all about SpendNet. They are very nice. You can use them for paying for advertisements on Google AdSense, YouTube, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, and so much forth. You can use them to buy for services online. If you're an online shopper, you can fund your account here and use this one to buy your accounts. If you like completing offers which ask for Visa cards, you can use it here. You can get a Visa card here and use it to complete offers. Now, the second site I wanted to show you people is called PST. It's a Bangladeshi based site, because if you are not using auto translate, it will be appearing in another language, Bangladesh or Indian, I don't know. So there's their dashboard. They support deposit using USDT, Bitcoin, US dollar, and euro. So just top up your account here using the form that you need. Once you top up, all your balances are going to appear here. You can even enable cashback. You see, it all depends with the type of card you are getting. Yeah. So cashback disabled, or I have disabled cashback, sorry. Yeah. So this is the dashboard where we are now, where you can see all the cards. So this card here, PST card, this is the best card for purchases. The Ultima card is suitable for most online shopping. Then PST is used to pay for advertising. Choose a card to advertise on Facebook, Google, TikTok, or any other platform. So if your main aim is to pay for advertisements, use this one. Yeah. If your card is for online shopping, use this one. Now let's click order here. Let's see the number of fees they charge. So the reason this one is number 2 is because you pay for your card fee monthly. So the monthly fee for this card is around $15. Yeah. Payment system, you can choose the one you want. They have Mastercard and Visa card. And you can see the minimum top-up amount is $50. You see, and you can see the number of fees, the monthly payment for maintaining your account, the top-up fee you get. So these ones are very good, but the only disadvantage is that their top-up fee is high, and also their monthly fee is high. Remember, on SpendNet, there is no monthly fee. There is no monthly fee for your account. But they only have a deposit fee, which is very, very small. So those are the two main differences, but the use case is the same. You just top up your account, then buy the card you need, and you're good to go. They are quite easy, and both of them, they can be used for linking with the PayPal or any other form of online banking, which require you, online earning site, which require you to provide a Visa card, or completing offers on swag bags, free cash, or any site that has offers which require you to submit your Visa card to sign up for their free trial. So these two sites are very nice, but my best one is SpendNet, this one, because with the basic account, you can be able to enjoy so many services. But if you require more accounts, just go to advanced or infinity. But for now, for basic, you only get this one card here. But if you want a new card, just to verify. So those are my two best cards for getting Visa cards, which you can use for verifying online, either on online shopping, online advertisements, completing offers which require you to provide your payment details to get the trial version, and so much forth. So guys, that's the update I had for you today. So many people keep on asking me the best site to get virtual Visa cards, and this is the sites. The best one is SpendNet, and also we have the PST, Pay Store Transfer. So be sure to check them out. And in case you try it out, don't forget to give me the feedback under the comment section of this video. I'm going to post the link for registration under the description of this video. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.